Here's a quick look at the new installation on the overflow structure. And here's the planning on paper. Before we got started, we put it all on paper, took a look at it, and said, you know what, this will work. But it failed. We got a whopping 8.31 inches in April. Let's take a quick look at some of the aerials on the before and after shots. Just a few weeks before the flood, we had a D6 down in the bottom of the hole there, right where those Christmas trees are. In this picture here, you see where we're getting into the clay, and we're just trying to get down into it a little bit deeper to pull that clay out to plate the side of the walls of the tank. We went down about another 3 feet or so, and yep, guess what? You guessed it. That dozer got buried up. He had a straight wall there that he couldn't get out of. So the next day, they come in with a backhoe and dug a little ramp on the front end of that dozer there to get that dozer out of there. But the big concern was, if it floods and that thing's down in there, bad deal. And then the rains came. As you see there, the first few rains we had, it filled up where that dozer was right there, you can see. And now let's look at the next picture. Oh yeah, that dozer would have been underwater. You might be asking why I built that up right there where that water's flowing out. I could have left it at natural grade, but building that thing up about 12 to 14 inches gave us a substantial amount of water backing up, which in turn equaled volume. And that's what I was after, was more volume to keep the crappie hole full between rain events. Now for the repairs. We've got a bunch of rain coming in 2 days, so let's get started. Well, that wraps this one up. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let the rain come and let's jump in.